Hey everybody, we're back. We're going to be talking today about something that is bright and light and flowery and French. What could it be? It's Lillet Blanc, of course. It's my favorite aromatized wine, and today I'll be telling you what it is and how you use it. If you want to make classic cocktails like the Martini, the Manhattan, the Negroni, you've got to know about aromatized wines. So what are they? Aromatized means that they have had herbs added and steeped with them, then sugars added, and they are also fortified, meaning extra alcohol is added. But they're still basically a wine, so you should treat them as such, meaning use them up quickly, and when you're not using it, keep it in the fridge. So let's try some Lillet Blanc. It's so good. It's slightly sweet, and I feel like it's got a kind of a honeyed flavor to it. I really like it. It's great in summer. It's great by itself. It's great with tonic water. And I'm going to show you two drinks that I've made with it. A stirred drink. This is a white Negroni, which uses London dry gin, Suze, and Lillet Blanc. And then a shaken drink, the 20th Century, which also uses London dry gin, Lillet Blanc, lemon juice, and creme de cacao. I'm Suzanne from Cocktails Under Quarantine. You can like and follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram. That's all for today. We'll see you next time.